Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Carrd for fast affiliate landing pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Carrd website. Once you're on the home page, click on the sign up button. You will need to create an account if you don't have one already. Fill out the necessary information like your email address and password. After creating your account, log in to access the dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the New Site button to create a new landing page. You will be presented with various templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your affiliate product. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to start editing. In the editor, you'll see a list of elements you can customize. Start by clicking on the text elements to enter your own content. Make sure to highlight the key benefits of the affiliate product. Next, you can add images by clicking on the existing images or using the Add button. Upload high-quality images that relate to your product to attract visitors. To add more sections, use the Add button located on the left panel. You can include testimonials, feature lists, or even a call to action button. To customize the design, click on the Design tab in the sidebar. Here, you can change fonts, colors, and layout to match your branding. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to set up the form for capturing leads. Click on the button or form area to edit the settings. Make sure to link it to your email service provider for easy follow-ups. After configuring the form, save your changes. Now, preview your landing page by clicking the Preview button at the top. Make any final adjustments based on how it looks in the preview. When you're ready to go live, click on the Publish button. You'll need to choose a domain or use a Carrd subdomain. After completing this, your landing page will be live and ready to capture leads. Promote your new landing page through your affiliate channels for best results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel